tack that in there to make that fit nice. See how it fits nice there now?
Yep.
Okay, we're just going to go along and get that fit nice all the way up through. This is where that third arm comes in nice to push the metal in and do the same thing. Yep. I'm just going to tack that there because it's fitting really nice. When it fits nice, weld it. If it don't fit nice, don't weld it. Alrighty, this is where the deal comes in. Get my hammer. All right, that's going to go good. Fantastic. Piece of pest. Piece of pest. You know what piece of pest means? Easy. We're going to push it until it fits right. Hold it till the red's off, because if you don't hold it till the red's off, then it'll move on you, right?
Correct.
Now we got to get that corner going around. I might as well push on it now while we have some strength going on, right? Try to get it bent in shape. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the zip cut on top of that because it's overlapping. And I'm going to weld it right there because it fits good, if you know what I'm trying to tell you. Yep. Where it's fitting there good now, there's no sense me trying to keep pushing on it if I haven't got anything to hold it there. So I'll push it in a little bit, weld it where it fits. And then we'll try to beat it around. It's the time to beat it when everything's holding, if you know what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah. We're not quite using a body hammer, but we're using what he has. And basically what this shows is that you don't need every tool in the world to do a body job on a truck or a car or anything. All you need is the will and the want. I keep saying that, the will and the want. You might need a welder or two, maybe. We're going to slide this up in here. That's where the third arm would come in nice. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to run the zip cut through that a little bit, give us a little more space, because it's overlapping a little bit. Up there, you see this overlapping there again? Don't want to do that. See if we can't get that corner in there to fit. Where's that corner at? There we go. I need to get that a little bit further. I'm going to hit it with a hammer. And I see that it's going to need more. That's where you're going to need that. Just burn that off. Gear yourself up a third arm. That's fitting nice there. Now, where we have that in there, now we're going to put this in there.